Welcome. Let's look at this JAMB past question, Geography 2018, question number 13. The type of landforms that is associated with large-scale orogeny is A. Fold mountain, B. Residential mountain, C. Block mountain, D. Volcanic mountain, E. Oxbow lake. Now, for us to be able to put this in context and be able to locate the right option as the answer, we need to understand what orogeny is. The term orogeny is an event that leads to both structural deformation and compositional differentiation. So that is what orogeny is, an event that leads to both structural deformation and compositional differentiation. Now, of the Earth's lithosphere at convergent plate margins. In other words, a continental plate crumples and is pushed to form mountain ranges. So we have continental plates crumbling and is pushed to form mountain ranges. It usually results in fold mountain. So orogeny usually results in fold mountains formation, as these are formed as a result of Earth's movement at certain level. We all know that fold mountains are formed due to Earth's movement. Whenever there is pushing of Earth to form mountains, that's how you get fold mountains. You have the Earth moving and folding up. You have fold mountain. So fold mountain is as a result of orogeny, and that's why option A is the right answer for this. Thank you.